Hey y'all, Samantha, Sam I am, Swirls and Decor. Welcome. Alright, y'all. Okay, I'm trying to get all the stuff out of the view. Anyway, alright, y'all. I've gotten sucked into the rabbit hole of all things beads and glorious stuff, y'all. So I was fixing to put this together, and I thought, well, let me just record it real quick. So I just wanted to go through and show you before I start some of the beads and the items I'm going to be putting back on. And I'm going to glue it as I go. This is on an extended rod, and so when it's finished, it's going to be over 9 inches, but roughly 9 1/4 ish. So they do have a shorter rod, and then it comes with a shorter rod. So anyway, I'm going to glue it as I go. Sometimes they will loosen, and that kind of, I don't want that to happen. So you don't have to glue these, and a lot of people don't, but I've had them come apart in the middle of making them. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unglue. I'm going to unglue it. I'm going to unscrew it and glue this down in there. And actually, it was on there pretty good. I just didn't feel like it. It felt so wobbly. So we'll see. All right. So I did get me some Gorilla Glue. That's a brush. It's a brush on, and I really like it. I've used it already. I've sold a few of these. If you're interested, message me. I am going to be posting and probably pinning a couple of videos or, um, yeah, some pictures on the top of my page. I'm trying to speak, so hang on. All right, so let me get this down in there so it don't dry too fast on me. All right, hang on. And these are just wire nose pliers. I'm just using it to hold my wire because my hands with arthritis, they don't always work real good. All right, so that's glued on. Now, make sure your pin still turns. If you're making these and you glue it, do make sure you can still twist the pin open. You twist this bottom part to open the pin. Okay. I've also making makeup brushes, y'all, keychains, letter openers. I've got all kind of ink pens. Some are less expensive. This will be more on the pricey side because this pen itself, just the base, is more expensive. But I'm also using some very pricey beads. So there's that. Some are not as expensive. Now, I did just make this one. This was a marker. I got it. You get some free items sometimes when you order. And so they threw that in there. I thought, well, let me go ahead and make it because I like that. I didn't know they had markers. I'm gonna have to see if they sell them because I don't know. I hadn't seen them before, and I've been on there for a while. uh, I got to stay off of it. But anyway, y'all, point being, so um, this is a letter opener, the base, and I do love mine because I got mine at the end of last year or something from another girl. So I really like these. I like making long, fancier. There are cheaper beads. There are just, there's all kind, there's some of everything for everybody. Okay. So if you're looking for something that you don't want to spend a lot, that's fine. Let me know. Okay. So I don't remember how I had it. I'm going to start with a spacer to go on the very bottom. Just kind of covers up. I can't really, oh, you know what? I had this on the bottom. This is a zigzaggedy spacer. Let's see if y'all can see it. Y'all can usually see it better than I think you can sometimes. Because when I got glasses on, I can't see nothing. Alright. I don't remember how I had it now. I tried to lay it back down like I had it, but oh well. Okay. It really doesn't matter. I mean, to a certain degree. I don't like that. I don't remember what that had to be on that. Maybe I just had this on the very bottom, and I probably did. These are heavy. These are metal. They're very heavy. I have a bag of them. They're crowns. And there's crowns on the pin. There's crowns all around. They're a little different shape, but there's some that's also just like it. So these are very pretty, and then they've got stones inside of the crown. So there's that. Okay. My bead. I've got silver beads, black beads. Oh, Lord, y'all. Oh, the rabbit hole is deep. Okay. I think I then. So, these beads are so pretty. So pretty. Y'all. Alright. These are new. These are new. And they're spacers, but they got like a really big gem versus the normal spacers that are smaller stones in there. Oh, sorry, y'all. So the difference in the two, you can see the thickness. So that black one is very thick. Way more pricier. Way more pricier. Okay. The rabbit hole is deep. I was going to come live and do this, and I thought, well, I don't know if, I don't know. I think a lot of people are interested. Let me know if you are. Let me know in the comments. You're interested to see, you're interested to have me make yours on live. That's an option. That also gives you an opportunity to choose different beads, put more voice into what you want. Let's put this one first. This is silver. Now, okay. Well, I'm back. Y'all, out of the blue, it quit. My camera I hate the phone I'm on up there. It's an extra phone. It has nothing on it, but God forbid it work right. Okay. Anyway, I changed my mind and I changed up a few beads because I like the way it sits better with our butterfly. And this is a crackle bead. I got y'all zoomed in and now y'all are really close. But this is a crackle bead. It looks like it's like shattered, if you will. It's so pretty. So I decided I'm not going to glue it all together, but I do want to show you real quick what it would look like finished. Let me move this out of the way just so y'all can see a little bit better. Well, I don't have it glued, so there's that. And sometimes you do have to because these don't fit good no more. They just get loose because they put so much stuff on it to make their other stuff attached to it. So anyway, there's that. It's no big deal. Okay, so anyway, if I can get the little end into the thing, this is what it would look like. Okay. Now, I wanted to show you while I was at it. Let me see. Do I have that? Yeah. Let me lay this because that way y'all don't have this green mat down here. And plus my beads won't roll everywhere. So I do want you to see what it looks like. And again, okay. So here's the swan. Here's the butterfly because I'm trying to do it and my camera will not film. So there's the swan. Oh, I see. They got it glued up here by accident. Okay. Actually, how did she go? Okay. There's a swan and there's a butterfly. I do have several different colors available, as well as like these butterflies. And they're metal, y'all. These are all metal. And so they're very nice. This here is a black heart. Let me show you what it looks like in red, because I don't have time to take it out of that. So they're very glittery. And you could put a bead in between when you go to put it on the pin. Y'all let me know if you'd like to go live and watch or make your own. I'd be interested in that for you. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Share this with your friends. Let them know. These are for sale. I got lots for sale. Lots.